All right guys, Black is here and I'm getting ready to show you all how to close this is a 2021 Volvo VNL760, and this is a tutorial on how to close the refrigerator. Now you probably say, wait a minute, you have to show people how to close the refrigerator? Yes, you have to show people how to close a refrigerator. It does not close like a normal refrigerator. Now it opens like a normal refrigerator. You just reach down and it's open. So you say, well, closed it, right? Nope. Close it again. Nope. Close it again. It closed that time. Now, so how do you close the refrigerator on the Volvo? You have to push against it. Now it's closed. So again, you have to push against it. You can't just close it. Oh, it locked that time. But you can't just close it. It'll open up. Oh, it closed that time. But basically, the lock is right in here. Now, maybe I should put some WD-40 on. I never really thought about doing it, but maybe one day I will. But I've had some other drivers complain about this only because that bent. Isn't that like it's bent? Maybe it's because it's bent. Damn, that thing is stiff. Maybe that's the problem, it's bent. I never noticed that, but I don't want to break the damn thing, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. That might be what the problem is, because it looks like it's bent. Well, anyway, that might be what the problem is. But anyway, all I do is just goes like that, and it's closed. So you just have to make sure you push in this area, and it closes. Dre, y'all have a good day. I gotta go to work.